I first met Dr. Finn when my dog, maybe 12 years ago, when I had a dog who had suffered a bad injury to his cervical spine, and he was in tremendous pain. He was also suffering end-stage renal failure, and he was not able to tolerate any of the pain medication, and he was suffering terribly. So at that time, my general vet recommended that Dr. Finn might be able to help him, and that's when I first met her. And within 3 weeks, he was so much better. He was moving normally, he was playing again, and he lived another 18 months of really good quality life. Dr. Finn's treatment was really a significant part of that. So I've been bringing all of my dogs to see her since that time. I bring them in twice a year just for general wellness checks, because she's just brilliant at spotting problems before I'm even aware of them. My current dog, Nick, who's been here today, he came in he's a young active boy, 3 years old, and he when we came in this spring for his normal wellness check with Dr. Finn, she discovered that he had had a hamstring tear, which I was completely unaware of, but fortunately he's been able to be treated here for that, and what that will do, I think, will benefit him greatly in the long term. Will keep him from having any other complications that come up because of that untreated issue. I also have an older female dog she just turned 7. So, I want to make sure that she's moving well into her older years, and we're addressing anything that could be arthritis or joint problems before. So Dr. Finn takes a look at her a couple times a year and makes sure that she's doing well as well. And I really feel that the work she does with my dogs is just another dimension of bringing them quality of life. And I think it's really wonderful to have access to her and her care.